cruising down a scenic road and spotting something that looks like it came straight out of the future. At first glance, it seems impossible. Is it a motorcycle, a camper, a tiny house? Well, it's all three combined into one incredible machine. Meet the stunning 2027 Toyota Camper Tricycle Tiny Home, a revolutionary concept that is turning heads everywhere and redefining what mobile living can look like. The first thing you'll notice is its eye-catching design. Unlike traditional RVs that are often bulky and difficult to maneuver, this futuristic camper tricycle combines Toyota-inspired engineering with a compact yet surprisingly spacious living space. The sleek bodywork, aerodynamic curves, and modern styling make it look more like a concept vehicle from a science fiction movie than a tiny home on wheels. But don't let its compact size fool you. What makes this camper truly remarkable is how efficiently every inch of space has been utilized. Step inside, and you'll discover a cozy yet functional living environment designed for comfort and adventure. The interior features smart storage compartments, a comfortable sleeping area, a compact dining space, and carefully designed multifunctional furniture that transforms based on your needs. Imagine waking up beside a beautiful lake, opening your door, and enjoying your morning coffee while surrounded by nature. No expensive hotels, no crowded campgrounds, just freedom in the open road. That's exactly the lifestyle this camper tricycle is designed to deliver. One of the most fascinating aspects of this tiny home is its mobility. Traditional RVs can be intimidating to drive, especially for kids. This Toyota Camper Tricycle offers a completely different experience. Its smaller footprint makes it easier to navigate through city streets, mountain roads, and scenic coastal routes. You can explore places that larger motorhomes simply can't reach. And here's where things get even more exciting. The camper incorporates advanced energy-efficient technologies, helping travelers stay off-grid for longer periods. Solar charging options, energy-saving lighting systems, and smart power management allow adventurers to enjoy modern conveniences while remaining connected to nature. Now imagine taking this camper on a weekend getaway. You pull up to a breathtaking viewpoint just before sunset, while everyone else is rushing to find accommodation. Your tiny home is already waiting for you. Within minutes, you're relaxing inside your own personal retreat, enjoying panoramic views from wherever your journey takes you. Another impressive feature is the incredible affordability compared to traditional RVs and tiny homes. With housing costs rising around the world, many people are searching for alternative ways to live and travel. This camper tricycle represents a unique solution that combines transportation, accommodation, and adventure into a single package. For digital nomads, weekend travelers, or anyone seeking a simpler lifestyle, it offers a glimpse into a future where freedom doesn't require a massive budget. The clever layout ensures that comfort isn't sacrificed. Large windows bring natural light into the cabin, creating an open and inviting atmosphere. Every detail appears carefully considered, from the ergonomic seating to the practical storage solutions that maximize available space. But perhaps the biggest appeal is the lifestyle itself. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a symbol of independence. It's about waking up wherever you choose, escaping crowded cities, and embracing experiences instead of accumulating possessions. The 2027 Toyota Camper Tricycle Tiny Home encourages people to rethink what home will be. As more people become interested in minimalist living and sustainable travel, innovative concepts like this continue gaining attention worldwide. It perfectly blends functionality, efficiency, and adventure into one unforgettable package. So here's the big question. Could you live in a camper tricycle like this? Could you trade a traditional house for the freedom of the open road? Looking at this incredible design, it's easy to see why so many people are fascinated by the idea. The future of tiny living may not arrive in the form of massive RVs or expensive luxury homes. Instead, it might come riding on three wheels, combining smart design